Are you looking for a way to work on your computer from a faraway location? If that's the case, then today I've got the right tutorial for you. This video is perfect for those who want to set up a reliable remote desktop solution on their Ubuntu system. I'm going to walk you through the process of installing AnyDesk, a user-friendly remote desktop application. So let's dive in. Before I begin, let's quickly discuss what AnyDesk is. AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that allows you to access your computer from anywhere and provides a seamless connection for collaboration, support, or simply accessing your files remotely. Now let's begin the installation process. First, you need to download and add the AnyDesk repository in your system. Hit enter and provide your password. This command retrieves the GPG key from the AnyDesk server and adds it to your system. Now you need to add the repository to your list of software sources. Now that you have added the repository and GPG key, it's time to update your package list. Finally, you can install AnyDesk by running this command. So if you want to start using this software, head over to Applications and click on it. You can now connect to another computer from a distant location, but make sure to have AnyDesk installed and running in the other computer to have access. Then provide the AnyDesk address and you're all set to use it. And if you don't need this software anymore, you can simply remove it from your Ubuntu system using this command. And that wraps up this step-by-step tutorial on installing and uninstalling AnyDesk from Ubuntu system. I hope you can now use it for remote desktop access.